chapter is 7th chapter definite integration. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2B part 16. Last part completed unexpected 7 marks in IB examination. Today discuss one more repeated problem in IB examination 7 marks problem. Example problem. What is that problem? Integral 0 to pi x into sin x by 1 plus sin x into dx. This one is a problem. In this problem, you can write, first of all, given problem is you have to take integral 0 to pi x into sin x by 1 plus sin x into dx. In this problem, you can use one important formula. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This formula you can use. In this formula, what is the value of a? A value is pi. That's why after I is equal to integral 0 to pi, x value is a minus x, nothing but pi minus x. Sine of a minus x, nothing but pi minus x, whole by 1 plus sine of pi minus x whole dx. You can write in place of x pi minus x, nothing but a minus x, a value is pi. That's why 180 minus theta, pi nothing but 180 degrees. 180 minus theta lies on which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant sine is positive. 180 is which function? Even function. Sine is sine. That's why you can write capital I is equal to integral 0 to pi minus x into sine x by 1 plus sine x into dx. After that, integral 0 to pi, you can multiply the pi into sine x, pi sine x minus x into sine x, x sin x whole by 1 plus sin x whole dx. After that, you can convert this numerator divided two terms. What is the first term? What is the first term? Integral 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x dx minus integral 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus sin x into dx. Here, see students, integral 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus sin x value is what here? I. That's why we can write this total value is I. I equal to integral 0 to pi, this pi is common, sin x by 1 plus sin x into dx minus I. This total value equal to I. This I come to the left side, I plus I. I plus I equal to pi common, integral 0 to pi sin integral 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus sin x into dx. After that, I plus I how much? 2y equal to pi into integral 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus sin x. This you can do integration this function by using any one method. Here 1 plus sin x is a numerator, only sin x is there. You can adding and subtracting 1 in numerator. You get 1 plus sin x is there. Here adding 1 and subtracting 1. 1 plus sin x is a one term, minus 1 is the another term. That's why you can write 2y equal to pi into integral 0 to pi 1 plus sin x by 1 plus sin x is the one term, minus 1 by 1 plus sin x is the second term whole dx. Whole dx. This is the first term, you can separate it. Second term, you can separate it. 1 plus sin x by 1 plus sin x, both are cancelled, you get what? 2y equal to pi into integral 0 to pi 1 minus 1 by 1 plus sin x whole dx. 1 minus 1 by 1 plus sin x whole dx. This can be written as separately 2y is equal to pi into integral 0 to 1 dx minus once again pi into integral 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus sin x into dx. Here you can separate here two terms, separate integration. First term separate integration, second term separate integration. Next one, 2y is equal to pi into, what is the integration of 1? Integration of 1 is x 0 to pi minus, here 0 to pi, sorry, here 0 to limit is pi, minus, here this term pi minus pi is common, integral 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin x into dx. Here you can this term 1 plus sin x term multiplying and dividing with 1 minus sin x. 2y equal to pi into, here applied upper limit and lower limit. What is that upper limit? Upper limit is pi minus lower limit is 0. Pi into integral 0 to pi 1 into 1 minus sin x, nothing but 1 minus sin x whole by, suppose this you have to take a, here also be, this one is a, you have to sin x is b, here also will be a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula of a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. A square value nothing but 1 square, b square value nothing but sin x whole square into dx. 2y equal to pi into pi minus 0 value is pi, pi into integral 0 to pi 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin x by 1 square value 1 minus sin x nothing but sin square x dx. By the first identity of the trigonometry, 1 minus sin square x value is what? 2y equal to pi into pi square minus pi into integral 0 to pi 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin square x value is cos square x into dx. Cos square x into dx. After that, 2i is equal to pi square minus pi into integral 0 to pi. You can separate it here. Numerator 1 by cos square x minus sin x by cos square x whole dx. After that, you can separate these two terms, separate integration. You get what? 2y equal to pi square minus pi into integral 0 to 1 by cos square x dx minus into minus plus pi into integral 0 to pi. Pi, here sin x is there, sin x. Here denominator cos x can be as cos x into cos x. Correct or not, students? Cos x into cos x, how much? Cos square x. Next, 2y is equal to pi square minus pi into integral 0 to pi 1 by cos square x, nothing but secant square x dx plus pi into integral 0 to pi. You can write sin by cos is the one term, 1 by cos is the other term. Sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x into dx. After that, you can write 2y is equal to pi square minus pi into, what is the secant square x integration? Secant square x integration is tan x 0 to pi. Limit is what here? 0 to pi. Secant square integration is tan x plus pi into sin by cos, tan 1 by cos secant, tan x into secant x, nothing but secant x into tan x. Integral 0 to pi secant x into tan x into dx. Here 2y equal to pi square minus pi into, you can write limit here, tan pi is upper limit, tan 0 is lower limit, plus pi into secant x into tan x integration. What is the integration of secant x into tan x? Secant x 0 to pi, this one is the limits. You can apply next step secant x, so you can write first upper limit, after that lower limit. 2y equal to pi square minus pi into tan pi value 0, tan 0 value 0, tan pi value 0, 180 nothing but 90 plus 90 by using a trigonometry, plus pi into secant pi, this is the upper limit, minus secant 0, this is the lower limit. 2y equal to pi square minus pi into 0 minus 0 value is 0 plus pi into secant pi value is minus 1. Here also we can use trigonometry. Secant 0 value is 1. 2y equal to 5 square. 0 into something is 0. Plus 5 into minus 1 you get minus 2. 2y equal to 5 square minus 2pi. 5 square minus 2pi. After that I is equal to 5 square minus 2pi by 2. You can write separate limit. 5 square by 2 minus 2pi by 2. 2 get cancelled. You get what here? I is equal to 5 square by 2 minus pi. 5 square by 2 minus pi. In this two term, pi is common. You get pi by 2 minus 1. This is the integration of which one? Integration of 0 to pi. Integration of 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus sin x into dx value is pi square by 2 minus pi, or pi into pi by 2 minus pi. You can write any one, you get the correct answer. This is the repeated important problem in Board of Intermediate exam.